Amber, what are you doing?
It's broken.
Is it broken?
It's broken.
Randy, hold this.
We were talking the science of sound because we have, of course, Rick Crosslin in. Yeah, see?
Oh, I can't go.
I told you. Okay, the science of sound. We're condensing essentially an hour-long experiment into like 5 minutes.
I go to Wayne Township Schools, and we do Sound is Energy. It's one of the fundamentals. There's a lot to know about sound. I loved listening to the band. That was so cool.
Oh,
they're so good.
But if you want to appreciate it more from the science standpoint, there's a couple things you might want to know.
Okay.
And it basically this: big things make low sounds. Randy, help me with that one. Big things make low sounds.
I can't get that low.
No, you help me.
No.
Small things.
Oh.
I can't do. Small things make high sounds.
Small things make high sounds.
You're not supposed to be able to do it. That's one thing I like to teach kids.
Yes.
Another thing is
3
that
minutes, Rick.
sound is vibration. And so
Let's do it.
I was the kind of kid that always,
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And your teacher would say, Rick, stop doing that.
but I encourage that with kids. So sound is energy, sound is vibrations. Big things make low sounds.
Low sounds.
And a thing can vibrate, the actual object can vibrate, or the air can vibrate. Now this is where I get dizzy sometimes. So I have 3 bottles, but the variable is one has more water and one has no water. So
Different sounds.
Different sounds. I'm going to vibrate the air in these. And what do you expect? Show me your thumb, Randy, which way the sound's going to go.
It's going to go up, I think.
Nice. Oh, I love
This is where I
that.
get dizzy because I don't have that sound control. But even something like this, Amber, you want to hold that
Yes.
one? And, so I have the big frog.
Okay.
And if I go like this, try that. And then the small frog should make a different sound.
Oh, yeah.
Lower.
Lower. So it's so cool if you can get things to vibrate. Here's a little test. I don't know if you guys can take one of these. This is a palm pipe. So when I do something with kids, I have to do it with thousands of kids. So this is kind of cool. You can make sound like this. I'll do mine first.
Okay.
You guys repeat after me.
Go ahead, Amber.
Okay, you got the top covered. Air's vibrating out. No, don't cover the top.
Oh, okay. Oh.
And that's the extent of my rhythm.
We could be a band.
There's a lot of cool things. Sound travels through air, it travels through water, and through solids. Thomas Edison was deaf, and he invented the phonograph. He would chew on the table to feel the vibrations.
Really?
You can go down to his workshop,
that.
and so maybe you can actually see vibrations. If I get my hands wet here, did you hear that?
Yeah.
See that cool stuff that's happening on top of there? So you can see vibrations. Now, Randy, if you look carefully, you can see it. Now, you have to get closer, Randy, because
Closer? Yeah.
here's a tuning fork. Let's see if you can see these vibrations. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Did you see them? Did you feel them?
I knew it.
So one of the
I
coolest
should
things,
have
though,
warned you, Rand.
this is a straw oboe. And an oboe is a reed
Elbow?
instrument.
Oh, oboe.
Not an elbow, not an Elmo. Oboe. So it's real easy to make. Take a straw, chew on it, and make a flower ground, and then you cut it like a Christmas tree.
Well, that's just fun.
And if it's true what we said, predict when I make this air column longer. If I make it longer, what sound?
Probably
So
go
it
down,
should go-
deeper.
Elephants make low sounds.
Yeah. That's
This is the hard part.
great.
Yeah. Watch it, everybody. Watch it.
I don't want to ruin this handsome face. Should I do it?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
I hate this part. So these are
Fantastic.
we have some websites where you can do all these. And of course, if I put this back on,
Oh,
if I put
whoa.
it back on, it should make a low sound.
Yeah.
The coolest way to see sound waves, though, if Randy, you want to hold this,
No, not after the water, but I will.
and we can stretch this out a little bit, and it's kind of cool. And Amber, you want to hold? Oh, I'll tell you, you be the person who sends the sound energy.
Okay, I can't. We gotta hurry because
tight.
I know we gotta wrap.
Hit it one time and send some sound energy, and you can see those waves. One
Very
more time.
cool. Oh, there it is. Rick,
And
thank
really-
you so much.
Here we go. We can get some fast waves going, Randy.
Appreciate you. These guys could just, they'll just keep going.